Looking for Dolce&Gabbana handbags and wallets for this Christmas? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Dolce&Gabbana Gold Black, Floral Lace, Dress Gold Clutch. Made from 32% silk, 68% viscose, by Dolce&Gabbana. Number 2, Dolce&Gabbana Men's Shoulder Bag. Another great product by Dolce&Gabbana. Number 3, gorgeous brand new with tags, 100% authentic Dolce&Gabbana wallet. Model, zip-around continental wallet. Material, 30% goatskin, 10% leather, 60% hers. Color, gray, brown, and black, gold metal detailing. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.